Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making air fryer salmon from Downshiftology. This one's all about being quick, healthy, and delicious. You get a perfectly moist filet with a golden crust in under 15 minutes. The spiced Dijon mustard on the top takes it to another level, and honestly, it looks like a total winner. So let's get into it. Okay, so this air fryer salmon is about as easy as it gets. Recipe author Lisa Bryan at Downshiftology said the seasoning amounts are more of a guide. You don't have to use exact measurements. Just coat the fillets generously and let the air fryer do the rest. I started with two fillets that were just over a pound total, and I cut them in half so they'd cook evenly. I found that cooking them for 8 minutes was the sweet spot, and they came out perfect, golden on the outside and moist and flaky inside. Now for the taste test. You can see how nice and flaky it was. When I took a bite, I was pleasantly surprised at how flavorful it tasted. It was tender, moist, and absolutely fantastic. The simple seasoning blend was spot on. It created a slight crust on top that wasn't dry, and it helped lock in the tenderness. It was so good I was ready for another bite. You can see how easily it lifts off the skin which is a sign of perfectly cooked salmon. One thing that's interesting is you would think the Dijon mustard would be prominent in the flavor profile, but I honestly didn't even taste it. It blended right in and added depth without being overpowering. The result was evenly balanced and truly delicious salmon. This recipe turned out exactly as promised: quick, healthy, and foolproof. In less than 15 minutes from start to finish, you have perfectly cooked salmon that tastes better than from a restaurant. I give it 1,000 stars, and it will be our go-to recipe when we want salmon for dinner that's quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.